Namaste, my name is Sundar. Today I will be making chocolate chip cookies. To make the cookies, I picked up oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. To make this cookie, I'm using my favorite kind of oatmeal mix because it has oatmeal and mixed into it is chocolate chips and it has 110 calories. And we just need to use it is 1 stick of butter and 1 egg. To make this cookies, I have the oatmeal and 1 egg and 1 stick of butter. And I have the pan we're using and a bowl. So let's start. So I'm gonna pour the cookie mix into the bowl. I'm gonna pour all of it. And then I'm gonna first mix the egg. Now I will crack the egg in. And first then I'll mix it until it's fused in the mix. Now the dough is ready, I'm gonna put it on the pan. I just finished putting the dough on the pan. Now I'm gonna put it in the oven. I'm gonna take it out after some time. Now I'm gonna put a 15-minute timer. Okay. After 15 minutes, the cookies are ready. I'm gonna taste the cookies. Very good. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share, like, and subscribe. Please comment what should I make next.